So good morning students. Today in this session I am going to explain about playing with numbers. Chapter 3, playing with numbers. In this chapter you are going to learn about divisibility rules. Divisibility rules. Children, first of all, what is meant by divisibility rule? Divisibility rule. The divisibility rule nothing but the process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division is called divisibility rule for that number. So children, generally we can check whether the number is divisible by with another number or not by division method. But here the rule tells that checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division is called divisibility rule for that number. Is called divisibility rule for that number. So there are few divisibility rules by 2, by 3, by 6, by 9, by 5, by 10, by 4 and by 8 and by 11. So let us discuss one by one, children. So divisibility by 2. So which numbers are divisible by 2? A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits. If it has any of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. In its ones place. Those numbers are divisible by 2. For example, children, see if I write 26. 26 is divisible by 2 because there is 6 is there in its ones place. So it is a divisible by 2. For example, children, here 298. 298 is also divisible by 2 because it has 8 in its ones place. The digit 8 in its ones place. So like that, children, you know very well. You can take so many examples here. For example, 2986, 280 and 2884, because in all these numbers you can find the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Here 6 is there, 6 is there, 0 is there and 4 is there. So these numbers are all divisible by 2, children. So any number, if it contains 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place, those numbers are divisible by 2. Okay. Now second one, divisibility by 3, children. Divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. The sum of the digits, children, for example, sum of the digits means what, children? For example, see, if you take one example for the divisibility by 3, for example, children. For example, see, if you take example 1, 291, children, for example, whether this number is divisible by 3 or not, we have to check. Simple, children, here. Sum of that is 2 plus 9 plus 1. 2 plus 9 plus 1 equal to how much, children? 12. So 12 divisible by 3. 3 4 is 12. So yes, it is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Okay, like that, if you take one more number, children, 2964. 2964. Check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Simple, children, here write first sum of the digits 2 plus 9 plus 6 plus 4. That implies, so here 11 plus 7, 7 plus 4, 21. So implies 21 by 3 equal to 7, children. So yes, it is divisible by 3. So any number, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, those numbers are divisible by 3 because sum of the digits we have to take, children. Sum of the digits we have to take. For example, 39. 39 is divisible by 3 or not? Simple, 3 plus 9 equal to 12. So answer yes. So like that we have to calculate division. Without actual division we have to write down whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Okay. This is about divisibility by 3, children. Now third one. divisibility by 6 children. Divisibility by 6. So if a number divisible by both, if a number divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3 numbers, then it is also divisible by 6. For example, children, you take for example 7, 2, 2, 4 children. So first this it is divisible by 2 because in its ones place the digit is 4. Okay. Now 7, 2 to 4. 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 9, 11, 15 children. Okay, 15 by 3, 5. So yes. Okay, yes. So this number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So it is divisible by 3. So therefore hence the number is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6 because the given number is divisible by both 2 and 4. Hence the 7224 number is also divisible by 6. So like this we have to divide we have to calculate the division methods without actual division method. Okay. So now divisibility by 9 children. Divisibility by 9. So this also divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9. Divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits, is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Okay, children. So one example you can take. Example 1 you take. For example, see 9846. 9846. Whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. For that, what you have to children, we have to write sum of these numbers. 9 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 implies 17 plus 4, 21 plus 6, 27 children. So therefore 27 by 9 equal to 3. So yes, divisible by 9. This number is divisible by 9. So take one more example, children. We take one more example. 899 94 children. 87794. So check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. Simple, children. What you have to write their sum. 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4. That implies 54 children. You can count this sum of these numbers is 54 and immediately 54 by 9 equal to 6. So what you get, children, here? Yes, it is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9. Okay. Take one more example, children. For example, check whether the number is 786. 786. Divisible by 9 or not. Okay. 786. 786, children. 86. So first you do this. 7, whether this number is divisible by 3 or 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 786 gives us 7 plus 8 plus 6 equal to 21 children. 21 by 3 equal to 7. So 786 is divisible by 3. But 21 is not divisible by 9. Divisible by 9 because 21 is not by 9. So the given number 786 is divisible by 3 but not 9. Okay. Next is divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5, children, you see. A number is by 5 if it has only of the digits 0 and 5 in its ones place. If any number, if it has 0 or 5 in its ones place, those numbers are divisible by 5. For example, children, 5, 10 or 520 or 985, etc. So this is divisibility by 5, children. There are the numbers. How many numbers you can take? If a number is divisible by 5, if it has only of the digits 0, 5 in its ones place, those numbers are divisible by 5. For example, you can take 5, 10, 520, 985, etc. These are all the numbers are divisible by 5. And next, divisibility by 10, children. So there are two conditions, children. All of them have 0 at their ones place or divisible by 10, and all of them are divisible by the 5 and 2. If all of them divisible by 5 and 2 are also divisible by 10. So for example, children, here 10, 20, 30 or 520, of course 500, etc. These are the numbers which are divisible by 10, children, because all of them have 0 in its ones place. Okay, and also all of them are divisible by 5 and 2. Divisible by 5 and 2 are also divisible by 10. Okay, children, I hope understood about divisibility rule and the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 6, 9, 5 and 10. So after listening this all divisibility rules, try to copy in your classwork all these divisibility up to 10 and then start exercise 3.1. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.